Hey there, this is Eric Pillar, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Google Hangouts Meet. If you received a calendar invitation to an event, that invitation, both on your calendar and in the email that you receive, will include a couple different things. One of them is a URL, and the other is a phone number and PIN. What would make the most sense to do in most cases would be to simply click on the URL, and you will then be able to join the meeting here. Before you do that, however, you might want to just check your camera. Hi there. Make sure everything looks how you want it to look. You can click on these three dots here for more options and adjust your settings. For instance, what are you using for your microphone, what are you using for speakers, and you can test those things. So same for using choosing which device you want to use for your camera. So definitely test those, make sure all the settings are correct before you join the meeting. In addition, I really highly recommend that you use headphones like I'm using here. Otherwise, the sound that you hear on your end will come out through your speaker and then go in through your microphone, and there will be an echo for everyone else. So just to be considerate of others, use headphones if at all possible. Finally, once you've checked your settings, make sure they're correct, go to Join Now. I'm the only person in this room right now, but other people would theoretically be here if this were real life and not just a test meeting. I can turn off my camera if I'd like, or I can turn it back on. I can mute my audio. That might be useful if you're not speaking, especially if you don't have headphones and you want to prevent there being an echo, or if you're in a loud environment, turning off your microphone might be helpful to the other people in the meeting. You can, of course, chat simply by clicking on this. You can see who else is in the meeting. You can invite other people. It should be fairly self-explanatory. If you want to share your screen for some reason, you go to Present Now, and you can kind of choose what you want to share. So that's it for that option. I do want to show you the phone option just in case you need it. So this is fairly simple as well. If you don't have a set of headphones, or if you're just having problems with your computer, or you don't have internet access at the moment, but you're still somehow able to see this message, like maybe you saved it to your calendar, you can just dial this phone number, and then when prompted, type in this PIN, and that will allow you to join the meeting space via phone. Obviously, we won't be able to see you because there's no camera, but we will be able to hear you in the remote meeting. So I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know at eric.pillar@nichols.edu, erick.piller@nichols.edu. Okay, take care.